Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today I have Never Say Never Adams out in jeans and heels. This is a rare occasion. She said she would do anything for love. I said, let's take your braids down. She said, but I won't do that. So today we're doing the Dolls Gone Goth. Dory's Dollies and I host this each month on the 16th. Everyone is welcome to join us. And this month's theme is jeans and heels. And so when I brought out Never Say Never and put her in these, I don't really like them, but she does, jeans. She likes them because they're not normal. They're not in style right now. So there is Never Say Never. Dory, thank you so much. Thank you to anyone who joined in today on the hashtag DollsGoneGoth Jeans and Heels. If you have a video today, please let us know in the comments so that we can come and see your doll too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe. Sometimes I make really good videos. You don't want to miss them.